Hi friends, hey, welcome to another Sunnyside Design video. Hey, today we are all about DIY and beginning DIY projects. And Steph's been pulling together a bunch of ideas here of projects that are great for a beginner.
Yeah, so first of all, what is DIY? You know, we've all heard it, it's everywhere. You probably know what it stands for, do it yourself, but it can mean so many different things. You can have DIY slime, like my kids love making slime, DIY cake decorating, DIY sewing your own clothes. It can mean so many different things for so many people, but for us, it just pretty much means anything hands-on. More particularly,
for our homes.
Yeah, things around our homes, whether it's making home to decor items or something crafty, or even a home
furniture.
Improvement thing. Yeah,
right. Major. Sometimes we've done some major things, but we didn't start out with a major thing. We started out with little things.
Yeah.
So we're going to share some things that you could feel good about accomplishing and be successful at it, and then you could just step up and do something a little more difficult the next time.
Yep, so we're going to share 10 projects with you today that are perfect for beginners, just to get you in and dabble and feel comfortable doing things yourself, and you'll be surprised that you can do them. They are very doable.
And you can save yourself some serious money by doing a DIY project.
Be sure to check out the links below. We will have links to each of these tutorials below so you can go get step-by-step directions, and many of them have video tutorials as well, so those would be especially helpful. Our first DIY is how to use chalk paint to refinish furniture. We love finding old discarded pieces of furniture and refinishing them, and chalk paint is a great way to do this. If you're on Pinterest, you've likely seen it everywhere. So take a look at this piece. We did this for a client, and at first glance we were even wondering if we should refinish it or not. It was pretty damaged. But look at the results. It is completely different, and it looks like a brand new piece of furniture. And with a little bit more care, it will last this family a long time. I think sometimes more than actually refinishing a piece of furniture, we love the hunt. We love searching for something to refinish. So we're often found at thrift stores or vintage markets, even the online marketplace on Facebook, to find some great items. So this tool chest dresser is one of my favorites. I picked this up for just $15 from our local thrift store. And, you know, looking at it first glance, I think most people would just say, it's a lateral filing cabinet, and I immediately envisioned it as this bright, shiny red, glossy red paint for this tool chest dresser, and it is the perfect accent piece for this Cars themed bedroom that we did for my son, and he loves it. His favorite color is red, so just being able to know how to refinish a piece of furniture, you can save so much money. How about if you've ever found yourself falling in love with a piece of furniture? You love the shape, the curves, the maybe detailed carvings in the wood, but you don't like the upholstery work. The fabric just is not your taste. We have a tutorial to show you how to reupholster. Better yet, without any sewing. This is actually easier than you would think, and it can be done in a day. I mean, depending on your piece. This ottoman that we did happened in just one day with a little bit of new fabric and some new piping, and it looks brand new. So give reupholstery work a try. You'll be surprised how easy it really is, and you'll be on the hunt for new pieces to refinish because you're gonna want to reupholster everything. Other times you may have a piece of furniture in your home that maybe isn't as stable anymore, like a wobbly chair. So in this tutorial, we'll show you how easy it is to fix a wobbly chair so that you can still use it and enjoy it in your home. We also share our little hack on how to restore the wood finish, and this is a really inexpensive, quick way to do it as well, so make sure to check that out. Maybe you find yourself decorating a room and you feel like you need to dress up the windows with some draperies. Now in our master bedroom we have a bay window, and let me just tell you how hard it was or is, to find a curtain rod that fits in a bay window. There was a company who used to manufacture them that we had used for our previous home, but they no longer offer that service. And so I was just in a pickle. I really wanted to have curtains in my room, and we had to come up with a way to create our own method. And in this post, you will learn how to make your own custom drapery rod. And better yet, it only cost a couple of dollars. So we have the cost of the curtain rod itself, and then our little secret that we use, and it only cost a couple dollars. So go give it a look. The most effective and dramatic way to freshen up a space is applying paint. So this DIY for beginners is just that. It is especially for beginners because you can see here in the photo, we have my young daughter painting her room. We did a makeover for her last year and she helped us paint her room. So maybe if you're a little bit leery of wondering how much time it'll take to paint, or maybe you're a little bit worried from poor results you've gotten painting in the past, don't let that hold you back. We will share our tips with you and you will learn how to paint a room and get pro results. The next idea is how to upcycle items and create some unique home decor. Now, I've always been attracted or drawn to upcycled items just for how clever they are. I am always amazed at what people can do in turning old discarded items into something new and useful. So that is just the case with this old rusty wagon shelf that we made. In just 30 minutes, I turned this old wagon into a piece of home decor for my son's bedroom, and it holds all of his little cars and his license plate, just all of these little knickknacks, and it's really special. What if you have dated tile flooring? Now, the cost of tile work is outrageous, and the thought of doing it yourself maybe is intimidating, but we have a method here that you can transform your tile floors without stenciling, without paint, and without even removing your tile. So take a look at this post because this is a dramatic difference and it was very budget friendly. And we also installed it all in just a couple of hours. All right, so this next DIY idea may be off the beaten path a little bit. I don't think we've ever seen anybody else do this, but nonetheless, it is a doable DIY project. So right here I have this canvas art. I was looking for the perfect piece of artwork for our bedroom to conceal our TV. Yes, our TV is behind this artwork. So we actually have a tutorial on how we did all of this, so I'll link that below as well. But I fell in love with this piece of artwork and it was the wrong size, and I'd already been on the hunt for the perfect piece and I was done. So I just decided I would buy it and I would figure out a way to make it work. So in this tutorial, you will learn how you can resize a canvas, and this will be handy little information that you can use if ever you need to resize a canvas for your home. Finally, we feel that each room should have a focal point, whether that be a fireplace, architectural detailing, or even just an accent wall. When we redid our master bedroom, we gave it a little makeover. I knew I wanted to have a feature wall in here. I wanted it to just be that focal point, have something where your eye was drawn to. So my husband and I installed this board and batten wall. We did it in just an afternoon and it cost less than $50. So make sure to check out this tutorial. We not only share our step-by-step directions with you, but we have a video tutorial as well so you can see it taking place. So give that a go, see how you like it, and let us know if this is something that you would try in your own home.
All right, what did you think? Did you get some inspiration? Are you thinking of one of these projects you want to try? Please drop us a comment below and let us know what you're thinking of trying. If you have questions, you can ask us. We'd be happy
we love
to
hearing from you.
Give you some tips or tricks that we've done if you didn't get that from the tutorial. Just anything that might be of help to you, we would be happy to help you along.
Yep. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We try to get new videos out weekly. with new project ideas and things that we have DIY'd ourselves. So
yeah, and give us a thumbs up if you like this particular video.
Yeah. And also in the links below, make sure to follow us on social media. We're on Pinterest and Instagram. You can see what we're working on ahead of time on Instagram. It's just little sneak peeks. So join us there. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.